Did you know you don't owe a debt collector anything unless they can prove you agreed to pay them? You might have signed a contract with a lender. Perhaps it was a credit card company, a bank, or even a car finance company. But here's the catch. You didn't sign anything with the debt collector. Debt collectors purchase your information from someone else. That doesn't give them the legal standing to demand a single dollar from you. Under contract law, an agreement requires consent from both parties. Under UCC 3301, only the holder of a negotiable instrument can enforce it. If they don't have the original contract, they're not the holder. They're just another voice on the phone, hoping you don't know your rights. So when a debt collector comes knocking, here's what you say. I would love to pay you. Just show me the contract where I agreed to pay you. That one sentence can stop most of them cold because they don't have it. And if they can't prove their claim, not only can you refuse to pay, you can start charging them. You can send written notices, demand validation, and use your own fee schedule to put the pressure back where it belongs. This isn't about avoiding responsibility, it's about demanding proof. It's about standing up for yourself and refusing to be bullied. You don't get stronger by giving in, you get stronger by getting informed. If you're ready to take charge, grab my $20 ebook in the link below. It gives you the exact letters to send, the step-by-step strategy, and the legal foundation to make it all count. You don't have to play defense anymore. It's time to take control. Thanks for watching Dealmaker's Den. Like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Your rights are real, but only if you use them.